Let's look at another use case, and this time the user story is that whenever we set a gift transaction as cancelled, whenever a donor cancels a donation, we would like to know the reason they are canceling so that we can either fix whatever problem we have, connect with the donor again, whatever it is. And then the acceptance criteria we got here is that given a gift transaction, when the status is changed to unpaid, so we're looking at an update only, we're not looking at the create. When a status is changed to unpaid and the description field is not populated with a reason or a feedback, then let's prevent the user from saving until they enter some information into the description to let us know what that reason is. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. The expectation first, the end result that we should see is that when the status here is changed from whatever value and to cancelled, and then the description is empty. Right now, if we do that, let's try something that doesn't have the paid status. Unpaid, and let's set this to cancelled and save. Right now it saves successfully. We changed it from unpaid to cancelled and the description field is empty and we saved it just fine. Let's add a validation now. Previously we added validation rules. We're going to do that with flows. And okay, I'll navigate to the object instead. And then flow triggers. And then new flow. We've got the gift transaction set as the object. I would like this when it gets updated only, and we'd like the conditions to be as follows. When the status field is changed true. Whenever the status field is changed and that new change is cancelled. So we're gonna need to do this twice here. The status equals cancelled. So whenever the status field changes from some other value to cancelled, then we need this flow to run. And we're going to run this in fast field updates as well. This is not something that has to do with committing to the database. We just need to enforce the user to add that value in the description field. Now, whenever we actually need one other condition, and the description field is null true. So whenever the status changes to cancelled and the description is blank or it's null, then this flow should run. And when this flow runs, like these conditions are met, we need to display a customer error. Display customer error. And we need the error message to say it was highlighted in the acceptance criteria, but we'll just like write whatever in here. State the reason in the description field. And let's actually put it on the description field. Similar to validation rules, it can be on the record page or it can be under a particular field. Let's save this and let's say request cancellation reason. Request cancelled reason. And let's activate. Okay, now let's attempt what we attempted earlier. Let's go to some unpaid transaction and let's go ahead and set this to cancel without the description field. Now we get that error, state the reason in the description field. Let's add reason. Donor changed their mind. Let's save. It then saves successfully.